Ransomware is malware that encrypts your files or stops you from using your computer until you pay money, a ransom, for them to be unlocked. If your computer is connected to a network, the ransomware may also spread to other computers or storage devices on the network. A Trojan horse virus is a type of malware that downloads onto a computer disguised as a legitimate program. The delivery method typically sees an attacker use social engineering to hide malicious codes within legitimate software to try and gain users' system access with their software. Keyloggers are active monitoring software programs that give hackers access to your personal data, the password and credit card numbers you type, the web pages you visit, all by logging your keyboard strokes. The software is installed on your computer and records everything you type. A rootkit is a type of malware designed to give hackers access to and control over a target device. Although most rootkits affect the software and the operating system, some can also infect your computer's hardware and firmware. A computer virus is a type of computer program that, when executed, replicates itself by modifying other computer programs and inserting its own code. If this replication succeeds, the affected areas are then said to be infected with a computer virus, a metaphor derived from biological viruses. A botnet is a collection of internet-connected devices, which may include personal computers, servers, mobile devices, and Internet of Things devices that are infected and controlled by a common type of malware. A computer worm is a type of malware whose primary function is to self-replicate and infect other computers while remaining active on infected systems. Spyware is a type of malicious software or malware that is installed on a computing device without the end user's knowledge. It invades the device, steals sensitive information and internet usage data, and relays it to adversaries, data firms, or external users. An antivirus product is a program designed to detect and remove viruses and other kinds of malicious software from your computer or laptop. Anti-malware is a type of software program created to protect information technology, IT systems, and individual computers from malicious softwares or malwares. Any anti-malware program scans a computer system to prevent, detect, and remove malware. The recovery console is a command line tool that you can use to repair Windows if the computer does not start correctly. You can start the recovery console from the Windows Server 2003 CD or a startup if you previously installed recovery console on the computer. Computer backup is a process that copies all your files, data, and information to effectively create two versions, one on your original device and one backup. It is designed to protect all of your important files and pictures, even the ones you save to an external hard drive. A firewall is software or firmware that prevents unauthorized access to a network. It inspects incoming and outgoing traffic using a set of rules to identify and block threats. End-user education is building awareness among employees by equipping them with the necessary tools and skills required to protect themselves and the company data from loss or attack. Alternatively referred to as a system restore. Restore is a term used to describe the process of reverting a computer back to its original configuration or an earlier copy.